How to change language on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your language on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your Facebook and make sure that you have your account logged in. After you do that, head over to the menu section that is on the bottom right. After you're there, you can search for the gear icon that is on the top right, or you can simply scroll down here till you find settings and privacy. Simply tap on that and tap on settings. After your own settings and privacy, what you'll need to do is you will simply need to search for language. Now it's under the preference section here. As you can see, language and region, tap on it. Now here you will see different options where you can change your language. There are languages that you'd like to have your post translated into and stuff like that. On the top, you'll see language with buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. If you tap on that, it'll basically take you to your apps section where you can change your language. So as you can see right here, I'm on my devices settings, and under there you will see preferred language. If I tap on that and scroll down, I can see the list of language in which I can change my Facebook into. So just choose the language that you want, and after you find the language that you want to change, you can simply tap on it. So I'll just change it to Spanish, and maybe I'll just remove this here as well and open up my Facebook again. And there you go, now my Facebook is in Spanish. And that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.